Good morning. I just went to the variety store to get my lottery ticket, my winning lottery ticket. I won a free play, and now I'm on my way home. So homeward bound. Today we're going to see a person about a furnace. They are offering to put a new furnace in since ours is, that old. So, we got that just covered. Look, a dune buggy. Yeah, it's a nice day. I think it's almost 20 now. Cool, dry. And I got a free play. I got $10 last week. So that's not bad. Ho ho ho. Went a little too fast over those bumps. It is a little bumpy here. Those flashy shoes. I guess the salesperson is not here yet. Where is she? Is that her? Oh, maybe. Doesn't have a Reliance truck. Anyway. I want to see the Reliance salesperson. Got 10. Oh yeah, I think it might be. Yep, I think so. Alright, see you later.